Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Descript for creator earnings workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the Descript website. Locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on Continue. Next, create a secure password for your account. Once your password is set, click on Create Account. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying, return to the Descript website. Now log in using your email and the password you just created. Upon logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface displayed in front of you. To set up creator earnings workflows, navigate to the Project section. Click on New Project to start a fresh workflow. Give your project a name that reflects its content. You can now upload your media files, such as audio or video. Drag and drop your files into the designated area or use the Upload button. Wait for your files to finish uploading before proceeding. Once uploaded, you can begin editing your media in Descript. Utilize the editing tools available to enhance your content. After editing, head to the Share option in the upper menu. Click on Share to generate a shareable link for your project. In the sharing settings, adjust the preferences according to your needs. You can set your project to be viewable by anyone or restrict access. Once your sharing settings are configured, copy the link provided. Next, navigate to the Earnings tab in your dashboard. In the Earnings section, you will find options to monetize your content. Set up your payment details by following the prompts provided. Ensure that all necessary fields are filled out accurately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.